When you need to carry out some repairs or modifications to the interior or exterior of your car, there's a good chance that you will need some automotive glue. You need the automotive adhesive that you buy to be strong and durable, but there is a huge range of products for you to choose from. Plastic glue comes in all sorts of different forms. It may be in one bottle, it may come in 2 barrels that you mix together, or it may be adhesive tape. You need to think carefully about what you want the glue to do, where you will apply it, and how quickly you need it to set. To help you make the right choice, check out our guide to the best adhesive for plastic. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best glue for plastic car parts from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Sugra Moldable Glue for Plastic Car Parts. An ideal glue for sticking plastic car parts, this product is incredibly tough because it sets into a silicone rubber. It's a moldable glue, which makes it very easy to use straight out of the pack. It feels a little like kids' Play-Doh, it's that malleable. The bond is strong enough to hold 4.4 pounds. Thanks to the advanced formulation, this silicone glue will bond permanently to just about any surface, so you can use it on glass and ceramic as well as plastic. Overnight, it turns into a silicone rubber, so it can be used for fixing, bonding and sealing. Once it is cured, it is waterproof and heat and cold resistant, which makes it perfect for automotive applications. It is also flexible and shock resistant. It will even insulate against electric currents up to 24 volts. Number 2. Loctite Liquid Professional Super Glue. This very popular plastic glue comes as liquid in a 20-gram clear bottle. It gives superior bonding power, it sets fast, and it holds surfaces together. Because it is so strong, it is suitable for car parts as well as cameras and toys. Use it on wiper blades, O-rings and rubber seals. This glue takes just seconds to set and will be completely transparent, so you will not see it on the plastic parts of your car. It comes with a pinpoint nozzle for easy application, and it has a pin cap that is clogged. Number 3. Gorilla 2-Part Epoxy Car Glue. This tough glue is strong enough for automotive use on plastic car parts. It provides a permanent bond and can be used for gap filling. The glue is resistant to solvents and dries clear, so it will not be visible and is water resistant. If you are in a hurry, that is no problem because it sets in just 5 minutes, but that is still enough time for you to reposition the car parts. It is supplied as 2 separate barrels with a syringe applicator. One barrel has a resin, and the other has a hardener. The syringe provides an even coverage, and there is a cap, so you can keep it to use again. Number 4. Bondic Liquid Plastic Welder. This product is a complete starter kit in a handy metal case that is perfect for bonding plastic parts on your car. Once it is cured, this product is totally waterproof and also resistant to heat. It dries completely clear, and you can even sand it or paint it once it is hardened, which makes it perfect for external automotive use on plastic. This non-toxic adhesive is not a glue, it is completely free from solvents. It is activated by UV light, so the kit includes an LED UV tube which you put on with just a press of a button. The product bonds in seconds but will never dry up in its container. As well as plastic, it can be used on metal, PVC and steel and much more. Number 5. Glue Masters Professional Adhesive for Plastic. If you are looking for a fast curing time and a long shelf life, this is the product you need for bonding plastic car parts. You only need small amounts and it will set in under 30 seconds. This adhesive is made from an industrial-grade cyanoacrylate, California, formulation. The flow is smooth and even and it delivers a medium viscosity with no mess. It's useful for both large and delicate jobs. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.